Today is October 25th, 2024. I have here FocalPup32, a 32-bit puppy ISO that's loaded, and I have gone through the first quick setup screen, and I have rebooted, and so there is a save icon here. And on this particular FocalPup32 ISO, there is a little tray icon here. It says Pup Mode 13, and we can just click on it. And then you'll launch Puppy Event Manager, and it gives you a choice of whether we want this icon to be not show, so we'll just delete it so you'll not show up. And also you will go ahead and we can go ahead and unclick here also, and this way it will automatically save on each boot or power off, reboot or power off. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we can say OK, and we should see that disappear. So now what we want to do is we want to take a look at this here. So this is Genie, and I have what we're gonna do is make a save icon almost invisible. That's the purpose, because a lot of times you don't, you want a clean desktop, and I prefer to have a clean desktop, and it automatically saves anyway on reboot. But if you want to save that a couple minutes of delay when you power off or reboot, you can go ahead and click the save in right after you make changes and install application and so on. That way when you do power off, it'll be very quick. So anyway, what we want to do is make this make this small invisible SVG small file, and then you'll be obvious as we go along what the purpose of that is. So we'll just copy it, and then we'll go to the terminal, and we'll middle mouse click, we'll paste it. And then we'll go ahead and we should see a invisible SVG file come up on a Genie. So we can see it right now under icons on a root level. There is no invisible .svg. So, but we're gonna change that. We're gonna go ahead and click, and then here is invisible SVG, and there the file has been created. And now at this point what we're going to do is cheat, and then go ahead and copy this into the Genie. So we'll go ahead and copy, and we'll go to invisible, and then we'll go ahead and right click and paste. So now we're going to save it. Now what's the purpose of doing that? We'll say Super G will clear up, and then what we will just go ahead and drag this down here, and then we're going to go ahead and right click on the icon, and then under save, file save, there's set icon. So we want to make this icon disappear and replaced by SVG. So we'll go to the and we'll grab invisible SVG and drag it here, and you'll notice that it's disappeared. So it still is active, so you can go ahead and click on the save, and you will go ahead and save the changes that you made so far. But if I really do that, it's gonna stop the screen recording, so we'll just go on. Now the other thing that you could do is, rather than have the save here, you may want to change that even more simple. So I'll just go ahead and right click on it with a mouse and go to edit items, and then rather than save here, you may want to just do what I do, is just put a period there, or you can put a dash, whatever you want. So here, so it's still you can still save it just by clicking on it. So but That way you just don't see the save icon. And that's all I wanted to show you how to do today.